Welcome back to my channel Road to Mathematics. In this video we're going to solve this interesting geometric problem. So here we have given a 30-meter long stick lies on circular ring. It touches the inner circle and extend exactly to the outer edges of the ring on the both side. Okay, so here we have given a circular ring and this one is the long stick which touches the inner circle here and extend exactly to the outer ridge. Okay, and this stick is 30-meter long. Okay, and what we are asked to find? We are asked to find what is the area of this blue ring. This one is the midpoint of the both the circle. Let's just assume the smaller circle has radius 1 and the bigger circle has radius R2. Okay. So here we can write area of ring can be found out by subtracting the area of the inner circle from the bigger circle. Okay. So before that we know the area of circle is equals to pi r square where r is the radius. Now the area of the ring can be find out by subtracting the area of the inner circle from the area of the bigger circle. So the area of the bigger circle is pi r2 square, as we have taken the bigger circle radius as r2, minus pi r1 square. Okay. Now here you can see that a long stitch touches the inner circle. Let it be the point of tangent. And we know that the tangent line is always perpendicular to the radius. Okay. So this one is the R1. So this is 90 degree. Now we'll draw a radius from this point to the outer circle. Okay. Let this point be the point A and this point be the point B. Okay, so the triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. In order to find the value of radius R2 and R1, we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So here perpendicular is nothing but the R1 and the base. So this one is the base point AB. This is nothing but the half of 30, that is 15. So here I'll write 15 square. Now hypotenuse, point AO is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So here I'll write R2 square. This implies is R2 square equals to R1 square plus 15 square is 225. Okay. In the next step I can write R2 square minus R1 square equals to 225. Okay. Now as you know that the area of ring is nothing but pi R2 square minus R1 square. So now area of ring is equals to pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. Now I'll take pi common. So pi multiplied with R2 square minus R1 square. Okay. Now from here we have R2 square minus R1 square which is equals to 225. So I'll put the value here. So here we are getting 225 pi meter square as our answer. So the area of the blue ring is equals to 225 pi meter square. I hope you have understood the solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel for more such interesting questions. Thank you.